Teach Me TV is back again with another great video for you today. We hope all is well with you and yours. In today's video, we will be showing you how not having a computer is no excuse, you can still make some good money for yourself. This is why we made this video. We are living in an exciting time for business. I hope most of you out there are taking this as seriously as possible. There is a statistic that states, the time we are in now is the best opportunity to make the wealth that you've always been dreaming of. Not just for you but as well as your family and friends. Normally on this channel we teach you ways to make money online. That won't change, we love to talk about ways you can change your financial situation. Online and offline on your own terms. It's all about making you feel empowered to make things happen in your life for the better. How can you make money without getting into all the tech stuff? If you're broke and all you have is your two hands and you want to make money now, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can do this. If you watch the videos on this channel, you should know that it takes either your time or your money to master your dreams and ambitions. These are the 2 things you have to exchange to get to where you want to be. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So, if you're ready to learn, let's go. One thing you have to know is who you are. And what you're willing to tolerate or what you won't tolerate. Everyone can't be a stockbroker or a school teacher. You have to know what your limitations are in your current situation. No one is saying for you to put a cap on what you can and can't do in the present moment. All we're saying is what do you think you might be good at or you can see yourself doing a task long-term or even short-term. Or just until you feel you're where you need to be to feel comfortable with selling online permanently. For instance, I'm not much of a talker, I'm more of a doer. I wouldn't speak in front of a room of people. That doesn't mean I wouldn't eventually grow into that. So if you understand all of that, then I think you're ready for the 5 tips. The first tip is sell something. I don't care what you sell as long as it's not illegal. Get a peddler's license. Have you heard of this before? This is a license to go door to door selling goods, services, and merchandise. It's super easy to obtain one. All you have to do is look up peddler's license in your state of residence. Print out the documents. For printing, you can go to a library if accessing one is an issue for you. Fill out the information, sign, mail it off, and in a few weeks' time you will have your license. Then you will be able to set up shop in different places as long as you're not interfering with someone's business or property. You should be okay. The second tip is starting a mobile car detailing business. When I was about 16 years old, I worked with at the time my sister's husband and he ran a mobile car detailing business. Every Saturday we would set up shop at a local flea market, and while people went into shop, we would be out there just washing cars. I would have a couple of vehicles to myself, my sister's husband would also have a few himself. This was easily a $600 a day business. With this business it may take a little upfront to get supplies, but once that is done you will be well on your way. The third tip is hauling junk away for people. Remember the old saying that goes, another person's junk is another one's treasure. A very true statement indeed. You would be surprised what people will throw away. You can find all kinds of stuff, simple things that people no longer have use for. You will find yourself charging for the job at hand and then can turn around and sell the items you have just picked up. The good things, of course, mind you, when I say trash it doesn't mean garbage or waste. Just to be clear that this business model can easily bring in well over $100,000 a year if you're smart and know what you're doing. The fourth tip is cutting grass, mowing lawns. This is big business depending in the area you live in, and it can lead to more business as well as commercial businesses. As you begin to retain customers, I see tons of people driving around with just a lawnmower in their trunk or just a zero-turn mower on a little trailer. We all need to start somewhere eventually. I remember sitting on my front porch one early Saturday morning. I saw a kid walking down the street pushing a lawn mower. He asked me if I wanted my grass cut. I really didn't need it at the time, but I loved his sense of hustle, so I said yes. Afterward, my neighbor across the street asked him if he would cut her grass as well. This turned into a small business for him, being that he began cutting lawns for 3 to 4 different people every weekend. Which goes to show you, with a little can-do attitude you can do anything. He was only 15 years old. Remember, all it takes is 1. If you get 1 you can get 5, then 10. Then build yourself up to acquiring a full crew. The 5th tip is house cleaning. There is a business called Molly Maids, and this is a business of cleaning houses. There are many working individuals who either don't have the time or they just don't want to have to clean their homes. This is where you come in. I suggest you start out with people who you know already just to get your foot in the door. Not everyone is going to let a stranger in their home or place of business. The great thing about this business is once you get one client, it's easy to acquire another, because the home or business owner more than likely has a friend or colleague that can refer you to. You can charge upwards to $200 a house. If you're really good, you can get on with a realtor and only clean all their rental properties. Then you will have more work than you can handle. That's when you hire a team to help with the cleaning duties. This is how Molly Maids got their start. Now they have well over 15 vehicles and thousands of customers. This is just the beginning. There are so many other ways to make and turn a profit if you're not computer savvy or you really like working with your hands. There are many people like you, so don't feel alone. Making money online isn't for everyone. This is what Teach Me TV is all about. We want to show you all facets of making real money no matter your circumstance. Online and offline. Take the time to build something first, then work towards the main goal. Financial freedom. Remember, just because you're not where you want to be right now, it doesn't mean you won't be very soon. So let's start doing things the right way the first time. If you learned something new today, leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.